Are people hyped up about these Jordan 1s? Jordan 1 UNCs? Let's find out. Mother's Day weekend, so the mall is crazy packed. And we're starting at Nike Glendale. This spot, no dope returns. No Jordan 1 high UNCs either. Came here about a week ago. I was just talking to someone about the new Vomeros, max cushion Vomeros. I just don't want to pay $150. These are $180, the Vomeros? Those seem like a better deal than these, no? These are $180. Jordan retro wise, not much going on here. Women's section over here, they do got these 4s right here. And this is probably a return. Don't know for sure. But the colorway on these not too shabby. They also got one of these in a grade school, it looks like, or is this one size? Oh yeah, grade school 6 right here. But pretty chill on the returns, even for the grade school and women's. Damn, now I'm all mad I walked all over here. I could have just stayed at the Glendale Galleria. Okay. Came here about a week ago and yeah, not much has changed. Not much has changed. They had better returns a week ago as well. I really like these Vomeros, man. I don't know about the toe box. Toe box seems to be a little more narrow, but there's just so much cushioning. I think these are comfy as hell. Are they better than the Invincible runs? I don't know. Let me know if you guys have tried both those in the comment section. I did forget to check the return section right here. You did get 30% off. This is the Mamba. The Mamba jacket right here, $85. So regular price, you do get 30 off. Which jacket is this one? Ooh, pullover. This one is a pullover, $130. Material is just super nice. It's like the old school jersey or basketball shorts material, and it is pretty thick. It is a small, about 30% off. It goes down under $100, which is pretty dope. And they got a jersey right here. Kobe jersey go for $90. I believe it's reversible as well. Pretty mild trip, nothing crazy. Other tech fleece going for regular price. It's like 100 degrees, summer finally here. I think it's gonna be cool next week, I don't know. But even the trolley's running. Haven't seen that trolley run since like last year, I don't think. But yeah, this is the Americana, one of the more bougier spots, especially in the valley. Now with the Glendale Galleria. Dude got one of the newest remodeled Foot Lockers. Their raffles, they didn't even sell out on the raffles, holy cow. I don't think I told you guys. Yeah, I do have a pair coming on sneakers because I had a feeling these were gonna be available, and I'm gonna try to get one at the Nike outlets. And yeah, this is a reimagined pair, so it does have that cracked leather. I feel like not everybody's been talking about that. It does have that cracked leather all along the toe box, along the side panel, and even the ankle collar. And does have that aged midsole as well. I'm gonna be honest, I thought it was brighter. I thought the University Blue was gonna be brighter. It's a really nice hue. So yeah, this is not bad. This ain't bad. Like I said, I do have one coming. Oh, the midsole. Oh, the outsole does have that I don't know, kind of like a pastel type of look, like a tie-dye type of look. But yeah, these are it, man. These are it. They're available. I think they're gonna be available for a while, and hopefully I can find one at the outlets, man. They do have the other Jordan 1 high OGs right there. I was like, what the hell? Do they have the SB for it? No, they don't. Not the hugest fan of this colorway. This one right here, if I could find it on sale, man. Come on, dude. Come on, you guys. Throw that on sale, man. It's not moving. It's not moving. 3 different colorways of the casual Kyries. Right here has all those hieroglyphics and stuff like that. About 3 different colorways, though. I thought I only saw the brown one before, no? I don't know. Am I dumb? I have a horrible memory. And they got tech fleece on sale, $100, normally $135, so $35 off. No, not everybody has an outlet next to you guys. I know. That's why I'm showing you guys these deals, even though they've been significantly cheaper at the Nike outlets. I know not everybody has one, so yeah, they got them on sale. $90 for the pants, $100 for the tops. Little sales section right here. I came about a week ago, and I'm not seeing anything really stand out. Clifton 9s right here, not bad. The 10s are out now, so We're gonna see those on sale everywhere. And then yeah, I really like these 574s, but I'm not a fan of this colorway. I do love the Cordera, but not a fan of that colorway. Yeah, but nothing sticking out too much. Dude got 50% off some apparel. They got some Dodgers t-shirts from last year. This is a pro standard, so $55 has those dope patches on the arms right there. Nothing on the back. Got a Golden State one, or Denver one, right? Oh yeah, Golden State. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, they got more of the Dodger ones right here. They got a swimsuit. The swimsuit, pro standard swimsuits right here. We've seen them a little bit cheaper. Where did I see them cheaper? I see them, I don't know. I saw them at the Foot Locker outlet. I also saw them somewhere else. Someone had these for 70% off. Was that a chance? I don't know. Looking for the 70% off one. They don't got one. They don't got one. Shout out to Dan and Tony. Was able to talk to them for like 5-10 minutes about sneakers. They're addicts just like I am. We know how it is. All right, let's go see what's up with Borders. Just on the Instagram, they released a new dunk. Is it this one? This is the latest SB dunk that just released. These released today. Today, I don't really know the story behind it, but full right there. He's graduating? Is he graduating? Oh, it's a tassel. It's a tassel. That's what it is. So this is the latest pair that's just released, I believe this morning or last night. I don't know. University of Nike. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, look at them coming out with new things. They still got the green apple ones. They still got these. I like these with the velvet and stuff. And then the black and white staple right here. Not staple dunks, but staple that'll just fit with everything. Got the inverse one right here. Oh wait, then they got two other ones. Okay. This one's like 145 or something like that. Some of these, they have several sizes. Oh, this is the last one, size 13. In my opinion, the Dunk SB Dunks, the Dunk Pros, man, these are just the best value. The material's just so freaking nice on them. It's at $135, the older one's $125. All right, dude got a Shoe Palace. Let's go back to these Jordans. Yeah, don't let these YouTubers fool you. Don't let them get you too hyped into buying everything. They got them here too. What the hell? What the hell? Size 8? Is this a return? Is this a nut? What the hell? I'm so confused. And just like most other stores, they got the Rare Airs, they got the Obsidian Lows, Lucky Shorts. Got plenty of J's right now. Metallic 5 Hydros have not been seeing too many of these. Okay. These are going for what, 65? Did stores get restocks on those? I'm so confused. Holy crap. In the women's, they do still got these threes going for $2 right here. Leather's really interesting on these. Then got the 4s as well. Grade school, of course, readily available. The midsole, the age midsole on this one, it actually does not look that bad. I've never said that on any of what the reimagined idea behind it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever said that, but that actually does not look bad. Maybe it's growing on me, I don't know. And for kids, they do have that one. They even got the Kobe's here? Still? Holy crap. Size 7.5 still. That's definitely a surprise. One of the newer colorways of the Barclays right here, the CB. What's this, the CB34s? Is that what they call it? I don't remember. But the Barclays, everybody knows about the Barclays. And then dude got one of the trainers right here as well. They still got the Kobe 8s? They still got the Kobe. Or is this a Kobe? No, these are the Kobe 9s. My bad. Kobe 9 Halos right here still. What the hell? Holy crap, that's a 9.5 on display. I thought everybody loved Kobe's, huh? Thought everybody loved Kobe's. I guess not. Black Cement 3s being a restock. That's crazy. That's crazy. I had to ask one of the workers. I was like, what's up with those Black Cement 3s? Yeah, they're like restock. I was like, what? Been telling you guys, all these companies, they have huge warehouses and they keep stocks. I don't blame them. I don't blame them because everybody falls for the hype and stuff like that. Dude got 11 6s. When y'all gonna throw these on sale? Like champs, I swear their sales, their pricing reduction, whatever, like it's like the weirdest pattern ever. I don't understand. Like they're like eons behind everybody else. It's weird because even Foot Locker, like even they put stuff on sale before this place does. I don't know. It's weird. It's the same company, but they treat champs like stepkids. I don't know. It's weird. They got the Sabrinas right here. Oregon colorway down to $100. And they got this new one. I've never seen this new colorway right here. This mesh. Dang, way breathable. That's interesting. Okay. They got these right here. $130 for these. Y'all gonna have to watch out for my Vomero purchase. That's coming up in a couple days. Got those for so freaking cheap. Not that one. But the orange ones got them for crazy cheap. Is that a $5 bin? $5 bin? Been trying to find stuff for my kiddo. Like these are so freaking nice. Different colors, but yeah, these do have the tabs and everything. No shows, we got tab, but not the one that my kiddo likes. My kiddo likes the cruise socks. I need to buy some more cruise socks. Should I just get him these? I don't know. He likes quarter socks and he likes long socks. I don't know, dude. That's what the younger kids wear, but they don't have any of the longer ones. They just got these. And I like the low socks. If y'all want to sock check me, kiss my butt, dude. I keep forgetting to show you guys what I'm wearing. Dude got Jordan 1 lows on. All white. I think these are women's. Leather on these are better than just the regular ones. I don't know. Because I've had them for quite some time, and like the crease, they don't look too bad. But yeah, it's 100, so I'm wearing a tank top, you guys. And Lakers MPLS colorway shorts. A lot of people have been talking about the Lakers. F you guys. Then I do got some good news. 574s, all of them on sale. I really like that black one. You know, they're not huge discounts, but they start with $10 discounts and then they go down even more eventually. Dang, this one looks nice. I like this colorway right here. Brown. Like the materials on them, that type of stuff. Then seeing AEs on sale. You got the powder blue one right here. I don't know what color this is. What color that is. Like a purplish hue. Then even these right here, they're $110, so $20 discount. That is a good start because that fool's hooping too, man. So surprised to see those on sale. I was talking to someone and I saw this in the corner of my eye. I was like, what was it that I saw? 50%. They still have the Tawny jerseys. They got small. They got extra large, double XL. That fool's been on a heater lately, man. He's been on a heater. I think he got like 5 bases yesterday. That's freaking crazy. Small, medium, large, extra large. They got all the sizes here. 50% off, dude. That's what's up. The retail is $175. Last store here, and I already see them. I was like pointing over there. I was like, I hope those chicks don't think I'm pointing at them. But yeah, dude got them right here too. Also got the 11s. I can't believe these are still around, dude. Man, UNC stuff used to sell like super quick. These are around. UNC ones are still around. That's great. That just tells you how crappy the economy is and how people are broke. That's just crazy, dude. Crazy. The inflation thing, man. Inflation has been crazy. It's good now, but after inflation goes up like crazy, it doesn't just go down. There's no deflation. So you know, like, we're screwed from a few years ago, man. It is what it is. Have I seen this colorway of the KDs? I don't know. I don't remember. But you got those. I am a fan of these Lukas right here. Maybe I should grab a Luka eventually. Maybe if I can grab one on sale. I really like these Luka 4s. These are the best looking Lukas since the 1s, in my opinion. LeBrons, we've been seeing those on sale. All kinds of sizes. Club JD Sports. Music is loud as hell. They're playing some good songs at least. Well, this song, I haven't been here long enough, but this song's pretty dope. Especially for us old fools. I really like these 574s. If they drop. Hopefully I can find one for like $30-40. And I know that sounds outrageous, but all my 574s have been $30 or less. I bought one for $30. I bought one for $20. I even gave a couple away to my boy George, who loves those. Blazers, all kinds of sizes. Like, if they have 8 through 13, they put a size 13 out on display. What the hell? I have Vomeros for $100. These have been on sale everywhere. That's pretty gross. Pretty freaking gross. Like, throw your stuff away, you freaking dirty bastards. Do you got these on sale? Only $10, but it's a start. All right, so moral of the story, don't sit there and believe all these fools on YouTube. A lot of these fools, they don't have no inside info. A lot of these fools don't have no inside info. They might have seen on Reddit or something, someone posted, oh, they only have 100,000 pairs or 50,000 pairs or something. None of it's verified. A lot of these people are just desperate to try to get you guys some BS info. A lot of it's not even accurate. So if you really want something and you don't know if it's gonna be tough or if it's gonna be easy, make sure you go to the mall and do some research yourself. Like I said, Northridge Mall, I went yesterday. I don't have any hookups. I don't really know anybody there. I just asked around, like, hey, dude, you know, are these gonna be tough to get tomorrow? Like, what's up? You know, and they want to sell stuff, so they'll let you know. They'll let you know, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people miss out on the metallic 5s. I know a lot of people miss out on the flu games because it looked like it was really tough to get. If you went on release day, most people copped, I'm telling you. You have to be super early. You have to be there early as hell, right when the mall opens. But I'm sure most people copped. Obviously, 12-13 is going to be kind of tough. But for the most part, I know most people copped. So don't believe everything on social media. Do your own research. Or stay tuned to this channel. But yeah, I got plenty more. See you guys. Bye. Damn, why am I going to the mall on Mother's Day weekend, man? This is stupid as I do. God dang it, dude. I gotta look out for these ones. I gotta give you guys an update. Oh my god. I've been saying these are hella rare and there's only what, 60,000 pairs. I've heard 160,000 pairs. They're all full of crap, you guys. All full of crap. They do got them here at Foot Locker. Also got them right here at Shoe Palace. This is the Glendale location. Here at Glendale, they got one of these. I see a size 8 of the black cement 3s. Do they have more pairs? I don't know. Shoe Palace, they still got one of these left over. Maybe they got more, I don't know. It's a 7.5 on display. JD Sports also got pairs here as well. The internet's wrong, you guys. The internet's wrong. People were trying to say, hey, these are going to be hella limited and stuff like that. Don't believe everything you see on social media. A lot of these fools are full of crap. Look at all the crap I go through to get you guys videos. Got plenty more coming. Cool Kids YouTube channel.